Wolves are very regal animals. They are filled with fascination. For them, family is loyalty, and moon is their only weakness. The following sketch shows their strength. A lone wolf who is determined to bring his pack. Hello everyone, welcome back to Play with Art. In today's video, I would be drawing a wolf. So let's get started. Start off with a basic sketch which includes its ears, eyes and nose. Now take your charcoal pencils. In this video I would be using the soft charcoal and the medium charcoal. As you can see, now start drawing small strokes in its head. Simultaneously make a bit longer strokes with closer to the smaller strokes to give it a hair-like texture. For this part I'm using the soft charcoal pencil and the pencil stump. While I was drawing this, I was thinking how can I even draw this, because this is not my cup of tea. But you will see the results at the end. Similarly, do its body by making small and a bit longer strokes and smudging it with a pencil stump. For its forehead, I have made loop-like structures and then smudged it with a pencil stump, and then used medium charcoal pencil to give it a more intense look. Now the wolves have little markings above its eyes and below it, which looks like its eyebrows. So for it, I'm using the medium charcoal pencil. For its fur, at its cheekbone area, first make small strokes with your pencil and then smudge them, and then make longer strokes to give a more intense look. Now color its eyes by leaving a little space for the shine. Now fill the rest of the space with its fur, making small strokes with your medium and soft charcoal pencils. And yes, don't forget the mouth and the nose. Now it's time for our secret weapon, that is the loose compressed charcoal. Now use this for giving a more intense look by shading in some parts of the animal. And yes, now while doing this, don't forget to place a paper under your hand in order to prevent from smudging the loose charcoal and destroying your whole drawing. Now give your final touch by smudging it and your sketch is ready. Happy sketching! Thank you for watching this video. We will meet next weekend. Till then, bye bye and be safe.